Hey guys, yes, it's me again. So the last time I was reviewing this dress, this jumpsuit, I was telling you guys, do you want me to style it for you? Some of you in the comment section said, style it, let's see, style it, Mary, style it. And I use my mouth to style it for you on the first video. So this time around, I'm like, okay, you know what, Mary, now do the styling for them. So I'm someone who likes simple but unique. I like it simple but very, very unique. That is me. So I've decided to come out and style it with you. So guys, join me, let's style this dress. I didn't want the video to be too long. The parts where I did my makeup and all that, I had to cut it because the main issue here, the main reason why we're here is the dress, is the jumpsuit. So join me, let's style it from Milan. Yeah, so right now guys, they are doing sales. They're on sales. When they sent me this dress earlier, it was sold for like I think 70 euro, but right now they are selling it for 30 something euros. So if you want to buy, run straight to the link on this video and go and order yours. See my son helping me to style it. Oh, my son was helping me to style my wig, to style. All right guys, so the dress is really, really fine. I love it after styling it. So like I told you guys, you don't have to use high heel. I just feel like, okay, I need something to match, something that match it. So I look at the dress, there's no black. I would have liked to carry black handbag, but guys, are you seeing the match to match I'm going with? So and I said, okay, since there's no black in the dress, let me add black hair to complement the look. Instead of wearing blonde, it will be too blonde there. The dress is white, purple, blue, and pink. So wearing another, something very sharp. You need something that will bring down the color. That is how you dress. That is how you dress. Do you need somebody that will be styling you? Call Mary. Mary will run 440 and come and style you. Mary is a styler. Forget. Mary is a styler. She can style the unstylable for you. And see the makeup I did. Oh boy. Are you seeing my makeup? Oh yes, I do my makeup myself. I do my makeup. Are you seeing my lips like catfish lips? After you put the lipstick, after you've put in on your lipstick, make it look like a catfish. Or catfish lips. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the lips? See mouth now. You want to bam bam. And I carry my handbag. I say, girl, you need to go with mash. Like I said, I wanted black, but I'm like, no. So you can actually use black, but I told you Mary is girly now, and everything I'm doing is girly, right? So that's okay. Carry this purple handbag. Oh my god. I don't want to mention the name of the handbag, the product, so you can see the name from there. No wahala. So and I said, carry. You see? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? You see a woman at her age with 4 children looking so tantalizer, so nyomilizer, so sweetie liza. See me now. Are you not seeing? See girly. You want to be a girly? Follow me. I will teach you how to be a girly. Do you want to be a girly? See my shoe. See my handbag. See the cloth from Milan. Before I now come, I'll be calling Igbo name. Milan. Go and get yours. Like I said earlier, they are on sales. Okay, they are on big sales. I'm not joking. When they sent me, in short, I'm going to add the first this thing. When they sent it, it was sold for around 70 euros. But right now they are selling it for 30 something slashed. They're on sales. Run 440 and go and buy yours. Run 440 and buy yours. This is my dance, Don't go there.